Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Home Depot sales drop, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix the sales drop at Home Depot, start by analyzing the data. Review the sales performance metrics over the past few quarters. Identify specific products or categories that are underperforming. Examine customer feedback and reviews for clues on potential issues. Conduct market research to understand current consumer trends. Assess the competitive landscape to see how Home Depot compares to rivals. Look into pricing strategies to ensure they are competitive. Evaluate the effectiveness of marketing campaigns to reach potential customers. Investigate the online shopping experience to ensure it is user-friendly. Implement targeted promotions for low-performing product categories. Enhance in-store displays to attract customer attention. Consider creating exclusive in-store events to drive foot traffic. Train employees to provide excellent customer service and product knowledge. Utilize social media to engage with customers and promote products. Experiment with loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. Monitor sales data continuously to measure the impact of changes. Adjust strategies based on performance analytics and customer feedback. Foster a culture of innovation within the organization. Empower employees to share ideas on improving the customer experience. Consider partnerships with local contractors and home improvement experts. Stay adaptable and be ready to pivot strategies based on market changes. Document all changes made for future reference and adjustments. Communicate regularly with stakeholders about progress and outcomes. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively address the sales drop. Aim for consistent evaluations and adapt as necessary for sustainable growth. Your goal is to restore consumer confidence and boost sales over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.